Hello and welcome to our channel, Kain
Bang, where we fuse Korean and Filipino food.
Today we would like to introduce DIY kits from Nimbly Market. Nimbly DIY kits bring favorite authentic Filipino meals to your table in one package. These frozen meal kits use fresh meat and ingredients. You don't have to be an expert to cook this delicious meal in no time.
Everything is portioned out and ready to cook in 3 steps in a skillet or an Instant Pot. With a few more steps, we'll add our Kain Bang spin on it and make it into a Korean hot pot dish. If you want to try our fusion recipe, let's dive into it.
First, here are the ingredients you're going to need. Nimbly DIY Bistek, Napa cabbage, green onion, Korean watercress, shiitake mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, shimeji mushrooms,
Korean green peppers, Korean red peppers, onion, glass noodles, soy sauce, minced garlic, anchovy sauce, mushroom broth.
Lastly, prepare some rice to eat along with the hot pot. And at the end, we'll show you how to enjoy the Korean hand-cut noodles with this dish. Before we prep the vegetables, we're going to marinate the beef first. Combine all the ingredients from the DIY kit into a bowl. Mix it well and set it aside.
Next, cut all the vegetables. And lay it nicely into a shallow pot. Put the soaked glass noodles in the center and the marinated beef on top. Pour the mushroom broth over everything and bring it to a boil. Finally, season to taste with the soy and anchovy sauce. And it's done! Oh, that looks delicious. And
I guess I could have added more spice to it.
yeah, we could have added gochugaru, right?
Because I don't normally see bulgogi Jeongol with like spicy
Right.
to it, so that's why I didn't add.
I see.
Because I did find a recipe that had gochugaru and it was
Yeah.
more like spicier.
Oh. This is legit so good. And you thought we were done? No.
We're going to reheat the broth and cook some Korean hand-cut noodles in it. Us Koreans love making fried rice or noodles with the leftover broth. Whenever you have Korean food, always save some room for the delicious second course carbs. Looks like it's all done.
Thanks for tuning in today. Try this Nimbly kit and our recipe. Let us know what you think. Please like and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Korean Filipino fusion recipes.
And stay tuned for more collaboration videos with Nimbly Market.
See you next week.